Okay. Hi everybody, I'm Shauna and this is Ring of Light Crafts. I have class starting real soon, but I thought we'd just go live and make a bunny. Anyways, we're going to do some pool painting. This bunny. The bunny came from the Dollar Tree during the Easter time and after Easter clearance, so they're 2 for $1 if you're lucky enough to find them or if you already have them. Also, cups from the Dollar Tree, 22 in a pack for $1 plus tax. These are also from Dollar Tree. Once again, $1 plus tax. So approximately $3.32. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use up the paints I already have. So I'm not going to pre-mix anything or show you how to mix anything right now because they're already mixed. So we're just going to use them up, okay guys? I notice my black is missing, but oh, it's hiding. I'm sorry. Hiding behind the brown because I don't like brown. Oh, I like brown, but just not enough. I don't have enough. So we're going to use up what we got. Not adding anything else. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, that's what we do. That just means we do it again, right? Okay, so the first thing I think I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start with my colors. My red thing broke. Yeah, and it went off on me, and we all know I'm not supposed to touch this stuff. Give me 1 minute. Oh, dang. After this is done, I won't be using any more with this chemical in it because it's not safe for me. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use up what we got. Let me just open up a couple of these right here. And all I'm going to do is take my paint, which is pre-mixed leftovers, and we're just going to add so much in this one. Whatever I do with this one, you know, I think I would do the opposite in the other one. So I got purple. We'll go ahead and add some yellow. Whoops. Add some yellow right in here. Notice it's nice and runny, you guys. Okay. That's how you want your paint to be runny. And you don't want it to be thick. And now we're going to go ahead and add some of this pretty turquoise color. Because I really like this color. And then we're going to go ahead and add, I think we'll add some pink. And let me get this one open. It's kind of, there we go. Go ahead and add some pink right in our cup here. I wish I could show you guys. Maybe once I get this done, when I tilt the camera, I'll show you. I forgot to put the turquoise. The reason why I'm doing this is because we're going to redo this twice. And then we're going to add some of my favorite color, orange. Okay, not my favorite color, but I'm very fond of orange. And this is kind of a muddy orange, so I'm not quite sure exactly what will happen, so we're just going to add a little. And that's enough. Keep it in order. And then, this one here. Now, this is not glue. It has glue in it, but it's not glue. This is a paint, but this is white, and it is a fluorescent, glow-in-the-dark type white. We're just going to add that right in there. We're going to open it up and add that. I'm just going to add that right on top. And that should be good enough in that cup. Set that aside. We'll get our next cup here. And what we're going to do is we're going to start backwards. So we're going to add some of this white, just because we're starting backwards. Then we're going to go ahead and add some of our orange, which was the last thing we did. Well, second to last. Just a little. And then I can just set them aside where I can actually just get rid of them before I spill them on me. Okay. So, we'll just set that one now. And now we'll go ahead and go to our pink, which is on my hands. Just add some of this pink right here. And let me just grab this tissue and get that off of me right away. And then we're going to add some of our blue, the turquoise again here. I'm going to add a little extra of that because I just really like that. Then we're going to add our yellow. And then we're going to go right ahead, add some of our turquoise, or purple, sorry, violet. Stop there. Now the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to take our white, what's left of it, because we're just using them up. I'm going to add the white a little into the paint itself. Set that down carefully because it's pretty full. You grab my other one I set over here. I know the other white's on top, but this white helps it flow better. And we're just going to add this one right here, and it does add cells, and I forgot my air dryer. So now we're going to take our leftovers here and pour it right on top of here, just to give it that little extra push. That will be tossed. And now we're going to dump our paint. Doesn't matter how it goes, we're just going to have fun doing it. First cup, here we go. Ooh, I like those colors like that. Alrighty. Add some over here. We're just moving this around. Let me move you guys down. I'm so sorry. Hang on, guys. There we go. Now you can see the colors on it to show you what they actually look like inside. Now we'll go ahead and take our second one. And I'm going to dump some here, but I'm going to strain it down the ears. And I think I might go ahead and just bring this to the feet too. And now, let's just do our little magic here. We're going to start rotating it. And see what we can get. There we go. This is just simply for the fun of it, guys. And I do have it on my hands, so we will make this fast. Because I forgot to put on my gloves. And I forgot this part was the most non-fun for me. Okay, so we're just going to get some of that to drain right through there. I'm going to pull that right back through. And there's only a couple parts that didn't really get enough paint. So we're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of the orange in here. And we're going to go ahead and mix it, well, strain it together. Just get it to move around a little. So it doesn't look like we just added it there. Okay. Now, we're going to let that sit for a few seconds here while I grab the hairdryer. Just give me one minute here. Oh my gosh. The bottle of paint, I just dropped it all over the floor. I was trying to keep it not to touch me. I managed not to get it on me though. Just got it all over the floor. So let's do this real super fast because I totally forgot to plug in my hairdryer. A lot of people use a heat gun or a blowtorch. I do have a heat gun, but since I moved my craft room, it's so unorganized, guys. Can't wait for my other daughter to get here because my grandkids are coming, and I think we're going to move it all right back. And they already said they'd help me. So I got great babies. Well, in my head they did. They didn't know they did, right? No, they will. They're good kids. So we'll go ahead and get our hair started, and let's see what we can find. Alright. I have it on heat low. Just going to go ahead and see if we can find any cells in here at all. Which I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe let's see if I can lower it. Oops, sorry, lower it just a little. Maybe you can see some of these cells starting. Ooh, looky there. We got a few nice cells starting right through the whole rabbit, really. I really enjoy doing this. I do have to find a different medium because having a latex just doesn't like me. So we're going to have to find a different medium, full medium, which I think I found the one I want to try next. Ooh, look at my big mistake. That's not a mistake, but I just messed up. Truthfully, it looked like, I don't know if you see it, it's part of the ear. It actually looks like part of it, I missed putting some paint on it, because it looked like it was part of the paint to begin with, so I didn't think anything of it. Just see if we can just get it to drain, just a little. There we go. Alright, let's set that down. Go ahead and we'll put it on high for a minute, guys. Oh, there's those cells right there. Okay. Nice. Ooh, we got some nice cells. We got a bubble there. Looks like we got it though. Alright. We are officially, believe it or not, guys, it's done until it dries. But I want to show you it, okay? So I'm going to pick you guys up, so watch your beautiful eyes. Oh my goodness, I can get a hold of my little holder here. Let me just tilt you down. I don't know if you can see them, but see all the beautiful cells starting in here? And then look here, look at the orange. I got some beautiful turquoise cells as well. So, and look at the white cells. I think it came out pretty good. All except for the spot I just added, but we're going to work on that one. So anyways, I think it's coming out pretty good. A lot of white cells starting here. And we got a lot of cells. These ones are just awesome right through here. I just love those. So I hope you guys can see this. And I hope you can see how it's starting to crackle and change. It's just right before your eyes. It's literally starting to just change. So let me set you guys back down. And bring you back up. Watch your eyes. Hi, Aline. Welcome. So anyways, that's how simple they are to do. All you got to do is decide whether or not you want to try to pour paint. I find it quite interesting with the cells. Once this dries, I will snap a photo and upload it so you guys can totally see what it looks like totally dry and ready to go for the next step. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And as always, be blessed.